Awning window installation. Columbia is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles Columbia offers, residents can find the perfect match for their home. Awning Windows Columbia experts are available to guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the best awning window options Columbia SC has to offer. Custom awning windows. Columbia are tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of each homeowner. These custom solutions provide unique awning window designs Columbia SC residents love, adding a personal touch to any home. Awning window contractors. Columbia are skilled in creating bespoke designs that reflect your style and taste. Energy-efficient awnings. Columbia are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These awning window upgrades, Columbia not only improve the comfort of your home, but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. Awning window benefits. Columbia include enhanced insulation and reduced energy consumption, making them a smart choice for eco-conscious homeowners. Vinyl awning windows Columbia SC are a popular option due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are available in various awning window colors Columbia, allowing homeowners to match their existing decor. Awning window materials. Columbia, such as vinyl, offer long-lasting performance and aesthetic appeal. Aluminum awning windows Columbia provide a sleek, modern look that complements contemporary home designs. These windows are known for their strength and resistance to corrosion, making them a reliable choice for any property. Awning window features Columbia SC include weather resistance and ease of operation, ensuring long-term satisfaction. Awning window replacement. Columbia is a service offered by many local professionals. Whether you're upgrading outdated windows or addressing damage, awning window repair. Columbia SC ensures your windows remain in top condition. Awning window maintenance. Columbia SC is essential for preserving the functionality and appearance of your windows over time. Awning window prices. Columbia vary depending on the materials and features selected. To get an accurate estimate, request awning window quotes Columbia SC from multiple suppliers. Awning window suppliers. Columbia SC offer competitive pricing and a wide range of products to suit any budget. Awning window sizes Columbia SC are available to fit any opening, providing flexibility in design and installation. Whether you need a small window for a bathroom or a large one for a living room, awning window sizes Columbia SC can accommodate your requirements. Awning window options. Columbia SC include various configurations to suit your space. For those seeking professional assistance, Awning Window Contractors Columbia offer expert installation and repair services. These professionals are well-versed in the latest awning window designs Columbia SC, ensuring your project is completed to the highest standards. Awning window experts. Columbia are committed to delivering exceptional results for homeowners seeking enhanced aesthetics, energy efficiency, and durability in their window solutions.